Oh, hi. How's it going? We're going to go to Universal today. This will be either one or two videos. I don't know. But first part of the day, we're going in with the kiddos. Have some fun. President's Day weekend. Seems busy. But we're about to find out. But we're still going to go have some fun. Let's go. Well, we made it in. We're gonna have fun? Yeah. Could probably be a slowish moving day. Park does seem very busy based off of wait times. So we're gonna try and maybe find some alternative, some different. We can find some different types of entertainment for us to do. So far, they're driving a tuk-tuk. Hey, can I come for a ride? Yes. Okay, should I get in? Okay.
Over here. To this seat.
Where are we going?
I'm standing. I'm out of here. Ah!
Are we going on an adventure?
Yes. Where should we go? Should we go to the Jurassic World? To the.
Ooh, that's a fun one.
To over there. Well, where are you here?
Toon Lagoon?
Huh. We're going.
Cat in the Hat. Which one?
Cat in the Hat.
Cat in the Hat? Okay.
We're going. Hop in your seat. I did my seat.
Punch it.
And go. We're not. Oh, no. We need to try.
Oh, we need to drive? Okay. Okay, let's go get some food.
Sticky buns.
Sticky buns?
I'm a monkey.
Okay, monkey, let's go. Okay, so we had breakfast. What did you have for breakfast? What did you have first?
Okay, churro.
You had a churro, very nutritious, followed by
Cinnamon bun.
some cinnamon buns, and then you had what else as a snack?
I want to go.
Cool Ranch Doritos. Are you a cool kid? Living on a ranch?
Daddy.
No? Okay. Let's see what Char. What did you have for breakfast?
I want to go there.
You had a playground for breakfast? That sounds filling.
No.
No? Okay.
Nothing.
You had nothing? Okay. Well, let's go play then.
She had a corn dog.
I had a very delicious cinnamon coffee, plus some leftover Cinnabons that they didn't eat, and a egg roll-up thing, followed by a bee sting to the leg, so that's fun. So yeah, we're gonna go walk around the zoo for a little bit, and then find out what to do. It's very busy. I don't know what all we're gonna do.
Places no others
Not
can
much.
get to. Up past the North Pole where the frozen winds squeal, I'll go and I'll hunt in my Skeaglemobile and bring back a family of what do you know? And that's how my new zoo, McGrew will grow.
To go near or to go far? I'm going near because they went far. And around the corner, hopefully I'll find a couple of children's that were hopefully mine. Spin, 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 spin. Hey, it's working. What's over here? Anything? Tickling toes. Wonder if we could find any toes.
He's up there.
Who's got my toes in a dizzy today? I just must have a look. Hey!
Char!
Are you serious?
Yeah, I did. Try tickling his toes.
It's not working.
No, tickle more. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, tickle, where? Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Here he comes. Good job finding the sensor, Harper. I'll sail to the tropical Isle of Catrue and bring back an it cooch, a peep, and a poop crew. Insert camera here for your picture free. Okay, put your heads in there and I insert the camera here.
Okay.
Is it working? Is it working?
Yes.
Oh, hi, we're back. What'd you find?
Come through.
What? Yeah, there's a box because something's not working. And now I'm stuck. I don't fit. All right, but it's not working because there's a box over what you got to do to make it do the thing with the stuff and the other and the other and the thing and the stuff. But anyways, we're back in.
You stand up right here.
No, I get wet. Haha, you got wet. Watch out, Shark.
I want to go to the today.
You're gonna go down the slide? Okay. I'm gonna watch you. Slide 1 or slide 2, what do you think she will do? Left or right? Right or left? One or the other. She'll come down quick. See, told you. That was like dangerously quick. In a cave in Khartoum is a beast called a gnat that no other hunters been able to catch. He's hidden for years in his cave with a pout, and no one's been able to make him come out. Can you? Did you make him come out? Okay, good. What is it?
Daddy, sit down. Daddy, sit on the back. It's a
Oh, okay. It's a caterpillar? Caterpillar?
Go further back.
Go further back? Okay. Okay. It's busy, like we said. So we're done playing. We're gonna go do a Caro-Seuss-el because that's 15 minutes. Cat in the Hat's at 45. Last I saw 1 fish, 2 fish. That was in the 40s as well. This might be a quick trip. What are you doing?
When under safety rule, I do recall, adults must accompany
okay.
children under 4 feet tall. When is ready,
This is not made for big people.
What?
What?
Hold the button and do this.
Hold what button?
That way. Sorry right now.
Sorry.
That.
Hey Harper, are you gonna have fun? Are you seatbelted in? Okay. Hey, number 2. Daniel. Danny boy. Are you having fun? You look so excited. Yeah, you gotta sit over there and press the button.
Yeah.
That's your job or it won't go. You have the most important seat on the carousel.
Yeah.
Hey, Char.
I think it's moving.
I thought you said this was gonna go right now.
No. Go. Yeah. Quick. No. Just look that way.
Which way? Point. What's that way?
Your Caro-Seuss-el ride is about to begin. Please remain seated and buckled in, or standing between 2 beats and enjoy your spin.
Faster! Faster! Don't stop! You're almost there!
Keep going.
We still talking about the buttons?
Yeah.
No? And we're done. Okay, good.
I'm super funny. I'm doing so much fun.
You having fun?
Yeah. Daddy, my hair is so tall and yours.
Yeah? Yeah, it is.
Like this hair. Whoa! Yeah!
If you stop, we stop. You're gonna break it. You have to do it at the right pace. Too slow. Too slow. Faster. Faster. Too fast. Too fast. Slower. Too slow. Now, no. That's just weird. Is this fun, Charlotte?
Yeah.
You're really not giving up on that, are you?
The Caro-Seuss-el line is slowing down.
Look what you did.
Until it finishes going round.
Look what you did. It's Dan's fault. He broke it.
The Caro-Seuss-el
Was that
line
fun?
is slowing down.
Yes?
Remain seated until
Okay.
it finishes going round.
Now what we do now?
Not a clue.
How about we do cat in the hat?
We'll see.
Cat in the hat. Cat in the hat, please.
I'm not the one in charge today.
No. Do
They
cat
are.
in the hat.
Why?
Because we want to.
Ask them. Do your please face. No, do your super please face, Shar Shar.
How can I say that?
Okay, did you get your way? Did you break them down? Are we doing it? Okay. Okay, this actually doesn't look. I mean, it's. Sure it is. Is that because someone stopped pressing the button? But I mean, we have to blame someone. Okay, I have waited in a longer line than this, so it shouldn't be horrible. It's 12:50. Hopefully we're on by 1:05. We shall see. Well, it's been 12 minutes, and we made it this far just like that. Next thing we know, we'll be on Cat in the Hat. Going this way and that. I feel like you used that rhyme already. Way too much. Not a wordologist.
And just like that, we on Cat in the Hat.
I like it. I'll use that.
Fish, two fish.
Red fish, yellow fish? No. Purple fish, blue fish?
Blurple.
Blurple. Ooh, blurple's a fun color.
Looks like purple but bluer.
It's purple but bluer and newer and edgier and funner. That's a fun word to say because it's an actual word.
Blurple.
So they say. We're excited. Gonna have nightmares tonight though. You know what I mean. 104, we're in our corral. I did it. I predicted something correctly. Are you ready?
Who needs Velocicoaster anyway?
I know, this is so much faster. There's more spins in this per meter of track than Velocicoaster.
Look, their heads are chopped off.
More cats too. Velocicoaster has 7, this one has 8. This one was invented by a German wordsmith, Dr. Seuss.
That's what I want to be. Dude, that
He does a lot of work with Guy Fieri. Makes a lot of the flavors from Flavor Town. There's some bumps, some jumps.
We saw him step in on the map. We looked and we saw him, the Cat in the Hat.
Hi, Cat.
We can have lots of good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call Up with a Fish.
Where'd the fish go?
Look at me! I'm the cat! With a
Kinda
cup
jaded.
and a cake on the top
What?
of my hat.
Look at me, look at me. That's a completely different looking cat. Oh boy.
Our fish came down too. He fell into a pond.
Yeah.
Do I like this? Oh no, I do not!
Why not? Oh, here they come.
Oh, that's thing one. And thing two.
Yeah, thing 1 and thing 2. What would you do? Here's thing 2. Here's the fish. There's a string. Oh, thing 1. That doesn't look safe. And now this is where they try to kill you. And now we're dead. Thank God it's over. I don't know. This would be like a horrible spot for the ride to break down. No. No, almost. If the ride would break down in here, specifically right here, if these guys stayed on a loop and just did that over and over and over, I'd go insane.
Yes, I could. I went after my net. I bet with my net I can get those things yet.
I wish I had a net like that.
Michael again. What a shame.
This was the last spin that put us past Velocicoaster.
Have no fear of this mess.
What mess?
Said the captain I had.
Oh, okay. What would you do?
I always pick up my landings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
What's your trick?
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? No, what should we
I almost
do?
threw up a little.
Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
I don't know. Die.
So I lied. It was actually 24 cameras.
24 cameras?
Actually, no, 25.
Okay. Hey, Shark. How was it?
Yeah.
Hey, Harper.
What?
Did you like it? Yeah, I thought so.
Except for that spin.
How'd you do? Ooh, you should get grits with green eggs and ham. Green eggs and grits. Ooh,
that kind of time.
Purple grits with green eggs and yellow ham. But anyways, we're gone. I don't know, Harper. Can you find Harper? Can you find Harper? Can you find Harper? You found Harper? Okay, put it back. Don't think they have a Charlotte, actually. Oh, yes, they do. Right there.
No, that's crazy.
Okay.
That's what I said.
Well, you can read now. That's unfortunate.
No. Let's check out the name that
There isn't a Charlotte. I looked.
CH.
That's Chloe. No, Charlotte.
Is there any?
No, because it's up to D's. Well, at least they're having fun with the beads. Do you like the beads?
Yeah.
Are you a horsey?
Yeah.
Okay.
My sister is the horsey.
Well, after being jostled this way and that, I think we're gonna be done for the day because of them. I don't know. Anyways, they're gonna go to Universal. By Universal, I mean Epcot, because they got special passes that can go on days that I can't. But if all goes according to plan, I'll be back without some people. I don't know who. If we do, and I decide to not be lazy, I'll make that into one video for you. If not, it'll be two, and you have something else to do. I gotta get out of here. I keep trying to rhyme. Anyways, watch something else. Thanks for watching. Catch y'all next time. And it's always fun. Remember to stay kind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to exit through the gift shop.